The brain stem is responsible for automatic survival functions. The medulla controls heartbeat and breathing. The reticular formation is responsible for the sleep-wake cycle. Pons is responsible for the respiration and breathing rate and plays a huge role in sleeping and dreaming. The cerebellum is two round structures near the rear of the brainstem. It coordinates all voluntary movement but can be greatly influenced by alcohol. The hypothalamus controls many behaviors and automatic functions such as heart rate and temperature. The pituitary gland is off of it and controls growth and regulates other glands. The hippocampus is the storage of long-term memory and is involved in learning.
The amygdala influences aggression and fear. It coordinates the fight or flight response. The thalamus receives all sensory information besides smell, organizes it, and then relays it to the cortex. The corpus callosum is a large band of neural fibers connecting the two brain hemispheres. It carries messages between them. The basal ganglia is responsible for learned skill patterns. It works with the cerebellum and cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is responsible for complex mental functions, like thinking and planning. It's split into the left and right hemisphere. The frontal lobe is involved in personality intelligence and the voluntary control of muscles. The parental lobe processes sensory information and it has to do with taste, temperature, and touch. It's also involved in spatial location, attention, and motor control. The occipital lobes process and respond to visual stimuli. The temporal lobe is involved in hearing, language processing, and memory. The motor cortex controls voluntary movements. The somatosensory cortex is involved in touch, temperature, pain, and pressure, and has us perceive the size, shape of an object. The Broca's area is involved in the speech production and helps us form grammatically complex sentences, while the Wernicke's area is involved in understanding the spoken language.